The flatwave amped indoor amplified HTV antenna by Winegard enables you to watch top-rated local broadcast programming in the highest quality HD and for free. The flatwave amped features the most advanced amplifier embedded into the antenna for maximum signal transfer and an amazingly low 1 decibel of noise. Due to its built-in amplifier, the antenna is best suited for areas up to 50 miles from broadcast towers. Moreover, the antenna is designed with clear circuit technology to deliver more channels and minimize pixelation and dropouts. The ultra-thin patented antenna features a reversible design, black on one side and white on the other. In addition to the embedded ultra-low noise amplifier, the antenna includes an attached 18.5-foot high-quality mini coax cable with USB power supply, a 3-foot USB cable, along with a 110-volt wall adapter. With the extra long cable and included connection options, finding the location for optimal reception is easy. To set up the antenna, first connect the mini coax cable to the antenna import on the back of the TV. Second, power the antenna with either the USB cable to your TV or the 110-volt adapter to a standard 110-volt outlet. Third, use the provided command strips to hang the antenna in a window or on a wall, or lay it flat. Finally, run a channel scan. Depending on the channel's sound, you may need to reposition the antenna and rerun a channel scan. Once you have completed the quick and easy setup, you can begin watching top-rated local broadcast programming in near Blu-ray quality HD and with no monthly programming fees. To learn more about the Winegard Flatwave Amped Antenna, go to getfreetv.com.